How does the factory in plants work?
Let us examine a single leaf plucked from a branch under a powerful microscope. That examination reveals marvelous artistry in all its glory. The structure inside a single leaf can be in our daily lives. When we magnify the details of the leaf still further, we encounter an automated food factory with pipes, creative activity, laborers connected for particular processes, and workers running about non-stop. Pipeline spreads around the plant like a net, allows raw materials to reach the production units and allows the product to reach the plant. As this pipeline is the water obtained, transfers the sap produced in the leaves to the region for the nourishment of the whole tree. All the channels not only but serve for the tree and the leaf. This is a since this cannot even be seen in human beings who use load-bearing elements called beams and the like. Then buildings. These two plants are met together. The plant leaf is their marvelous structure. Any leaf a few millimeters thick were enlarged this is a factory so that we could wander around inside it. We would be amazed at what we saw. Let's take a small parsley leaf as an example. We would see a developed pipeline extend every part and facilities that produce and store chemical substances. We would also encounter ceaselessly convert solar energy into sugar that initiate this process and ventilation filters that we cross at every point. We will see a powerful study in giant the roles of many of which are still scientists. What is so evident at first sight? This system, the workers in it, and all the materials and products used by it are the work of a very superior mind and knowledge. Yet plants have no nervous system and no brain. Each others, despite which its interiors exhibit an unbelievable cooperation. We still do not fully understand how the cells inside the plant communicate and how they give rise to different tissues. The way that these chains of command that emerge from these different structures are formed still remain history.